I'd like to show how we're using Luminata to database stability studies, particularly when it comes to force degradation. And as an analytical department, understanding, predicting, modelling and monitoring drug degradation is one of the most important deliverables that we have. So it's really important that we're able to database all of that data to build up that understanding. So drug degradation, over the past 20 years, the databasing of drug degradation has evolved from the early days of Cambridge Soft drug degradation database through ACDLabs Spectrus and now into Luminata that we have today. And we've worked with Luminata to build some custom views within Luminata. So we have the project stability map view here, and this allows us to build up a dynamic stability map of our stability studies, in particular those force degradation studies. So we can see which conditions have been run, the degradants and their structures under each condition. We can view mass spectra, UV data, and so on. And in the control chart, we can view the levels of the degradants, and we can filter all of that data as well. And similar to previously shown, we have the ability to attach that data directly from Empower. So this just shows that dynamic stability map popped out. So for a given project, we can build up a map of the API stability, including that zenith in silico prediction of drug degradation, data that we've got for the solid state, the solution state, and likewise for the drug product, whether that be, for example, a lyophile, an IV drug product. Again, all of that stability data can be built into this map. And the colour coding relates to those studies that have completed. So it's a traffic light colour coding, so green for those studies that have completed, amber for those studies that are still ongoing, and red for those that are still to do. Then there's also the ability to enter and display user data for each of the different studies. So by clicking this icon here, we can store details such as the lot number that was used for the particular stability study, lab notebook reference, and so on. And there's a free text field as well there. The stability map is built through a project map wizard here. So the degradation conditions can be selected or custom values can be entered. And the map is built, which then allows for population with chromatograms from Empower. And again, in a similar way to I've shown previously, we can utilize the control chart and filter the control chart to display all of the results together. So here we've got our control samples and our exposed samples across a number of different force deg conditions. And we can start to look for trends in data, so impurities or degradants that are seen in all of the conditions or ones that are growing. Those major degradations as well, we can easily see those. So for example, we've got this impurity here, which is seen as a major degradant under the acidic exposure.